Let's analyze the Sofi stock for this week. We will particularly focus on volatility as it sends us interesting signals, as well as the volatility smile and other aspects. We'll also look at my portfolio and strategy, which involves trading Sofi stock. We'll see how it's currently performing and what might happen next. Starting with Sofia's stock and the chart, we observe that not much is happening. The stock continues to trade sideways without any significant impulses or sharp movements. This lack of movement actually presents a good potential for earning through option strategies, especially by selling volatility. Now let's look at the volatility. There are significant jumps, especially in options expiring on March 1st. The closer the options are, the stronger the jumps, as we can see. However, this is good because it allows for utilizing volatility differential strategies. Moving on to the volatility smile, everything seems skewed towards puts, indicating an expectation of a potential decrease. Looking at the strikes, we have large volumes, especially for options expiring this week today. We have large strikes at the 10th, 9th, and 8th levels. Now, on to the stocks. I remind everyone of my philosophy that it's impossible to predict stock prices. I don't believe anyone who claims to know where a stock will go. Stocks can go up or down. So how do we make money if we don't know where the stock will go? We do so through skillful position management, and I'll show you how. As you can see, here's my portfolio, which I haven't shown before, but now I've decided to reveal it. This is my virtual account with interactive brokers. I have 3 strategies focusing on AMC, Sofi stock, and Tesla stock. As you can see, I've allocated $10,000 to each stock, resulting in a total liquidity of $31,000 due to my solid profit on AMC. These are the 3 stocks I'm concentrating on. Additionally, I have a separate portfolio for trading. Now, regarding Sofi stock, where I've been selling volatility, I sold puts with a strike of 8 and calls with a strike of 8.5. As we can see, these options are all reflected in my portfolio for Sophia options. Currently, they are expiring, so my 8.5 call option is expiring. I'll roll it over to the next week, keeping the same strike. As you can see, I'll be paid for this. But it is important to remember that I sold these call only based on the fact that I have bought 200 shares in Sofi. So the call are completely hedged. And once again, I want to say, yes, I decided to show my portfolio, but under no circumstances repeat any trades, no positions after me. Why? Because all my trades are fictional, made on virtual accounts. I am not responsible for anything. Please, you will definitely lose money if you follow me. Under no circumstances make any trades. Again, I say I am showing the portfolio solely for clarity, because in the previous presentations, everything was unclear what, where, and how. Now everything is clear, understandable. I have 3 stocks that I am outperforming, AMC, Sofi, and Tesla, and for all stocks I will definitely account for them. And here you can see absolutely all existing positions. So let's fill in the table with what we have at the moment. Today is the 1st of March. I get $11 for it. At the moment, Sophia's stock is worth $9. We enter it here for $9. At the moment, the stock is outperforming me by 10%. Nothing terrible, and again, everything will be gradual. At the moment, I will study and see what can be done and open additional positions on Sofi. It makes more sense to chase profits here. Gradually open positions day by day, that's the plan for now. Again, I will analyze what can be done. Also, positions on option will be opened. I will see which of our positions are the most attractive. I will do it quickly so that it doesn't take much time. Actually, I need more shares of Sofi. Therefore, I can simply sell more options. Sell more options so that if necessary, I can acquire them. I have enough of $10,000 unused, so I will use selling options to acquire shares of Sofi only with a premium. All right, I sold 3 options, 8.5 for 16. Here we see it, 3 pieces on March 15th. Strike at 8.5, didn't pay $50 for them, immediately adding it to the table. 16 multiplied by 3. Don't forget about the commission. For now, the situation is like this, by the way, since there will be a lot of strategy here. Perhaps in the future, I will somehow systematize the table so that there are not a million trades, but there will definitely be. Again, as we can see, on the graph at the moment, Sophia is outperforming my portfolio, but nothing terrible. There are positions, there is management. I will continue to work on outperforming this stock. Everything is straightforward. As we can see, miracles do not happen, and I can also be overtaken calmly. So let's get back to Sophia's stock. Until some catalyst, until the report, I do not expect very serious movements here, up or down. I suggest that everything will happen smoothly, but if we see a sharp movement, I am hedged. In any case, I will not lose anything. If you are interested in Sophia's stock, you can watch this video where I detailed my strategy and how I will implement it.